Today, I will demonstrate in detail the installation and usage of inflatable products. Take our inflatable slide as an example. First, choose a clean and flat ground. It is recommended to lay a non-slip mat, no sharp objects, or corrosive liquids. Spread the product evenly on the mat. Second, fit the air inlet completely over the blower's connector. Secure it tightly with a cable tie. Connect the power supply. Press the inflatable blower switch. Start inflating. Check the exhaust zippers on both sides or front are all fully closed. And make sure the spare blower port is fully tied without any air leakage. Different size inflatable products will vary in inflation time. The slide in this demonstration will take about 2 to 3 minutes. The video has been accelerated. During the inflation process, you can adjust the angle and position of the slide to make the product take shape faster. When the slide is fully inflated, the shape is complete, and the surface can be clearly bounced back. Third, there are multiple fixed buckles, the sides and bottom of the inflatable product. Use the matching pull rope to hook the pull ring, and fix the other end of the rope to a peg or sand belt to ensure the stability and no deviation during use. After fixing, you can use the product normally. Special reminder: inflatable slides require continuous inflation. The blower must be kept powered on during use and keep inflating. Follow local safety regulations during use and ensure that an adult is supervising throughout. Fourthly, after using it, turn off the blower power. The product starts to deflate naturally. Loosen the ties of the spare blower port. Open the exhaust zipper around the slide, which can speed up the deflation. Fifthly, after the product is fully deflated and flattened, fold one side to the middle, and then fold the other side to the same width. Roll it gradually from one end. Roll it into a cylinder shape. Use the matching packing rope to fix it. It can be easily transported after being placed in the PVC packaging bag.